1. Educate yourself, understand the basics, learn about stocks, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs, and other investment options. Study the market. Familiarize yourself with how the stock market operates, including concepts like market indexes, e.g., S&P 500, Dow Jones. Read books and articles. Look for resources such as The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham or Common Stocks and Uncommon Profits by Philip Fisher. 2. Set clear goals. Define your objectives. Decide whether you will be investing for short-term gains, retirement, or other financial goals. Assess risk tolerance. Understand how much risk you are willing to take. 3. Choose the right strategy. Value investing. Look for undervalued stocks with strong fundamentals. Growth investing. Focus on companies with high growth potential. Dividend investing. Invest in companies that pay regular dividends for steady income. Index investing. Invest in index funds or ETFs for broad market exposure.